Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer videos from your Android phone to PC. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you multiple ways so you can do it. So first of all is that if your device has Bluetooth and if your device does not have Bluetooth. If your device has a Bluetooth, it is as simple as clicking on share, and then from share you're going to navigate all the way to more, and then from more you're going to click on Bluetooth, and from Bluetooth it's going to turn on Bluetooth and it's going to search for your device on the Bluetooth settings. It is that easy if your device has Bluetooth. Now if your device does not have Bluetooth, now there is a couple of ways that you can do is actually go on to Google Drive, and is that you would search for MediaFire, actually MediaFire or Google Drive, both are the same. Okay, MediaFire, and from MediaFire you're going to click on MediaFire, and once you click on MediaFire you're going to select whatever file you want to upload. Okay, now after you select whatever file you want to upload, I'm going to click on Upload File now, tap to Browse Media. So let's say this is your video. After it loads, you're going to click on Copy Link, and from Copy Link, you're going to send it. To your Google account. You're going to save it, or basically you can send it through WhatsApp or something, and open WhatsApp web on your Google, and then from there you're going to click on Download from the MediaFire link, and then you're going to be able to download. The MediaFire. You're going to be able to download it and have the video on your phone, on your PC, or you could just connect a USB, and from USB you can there navigate to the DCIM. From the DCIM you can find all the folders with your cameras on your PC. So yeah guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.